Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 3rd of May and today we will see 10 most important questions of the day. First let us see question for the day. You have to answer this question in the comment section and on weekend, that is on Sunday, we will see how many of you were the most consistent in answering all the questions correctly throughout the week. The question is, Mekong River in China is called as. These are the options. Read the options carefully and then answer. While last week, those who were the most consistent in answering all the questions were Gopinath, Sai Ram, Krishnakant, Kalyan Punuganti, Rekha, Akanksha, Noor Sabha, Jahid Bhatt, Soumya, Susri, Rasmita, Shalia Kul, SR, Satyanath Reddy, Jagdish Chander, Anshu Jha, Tuba Shumaya, Abhishek Kumar, Dev Kumar, Sri Harini, Kitatam, Rivaleen, Vishesh Kadam, अभिलाष कावूरी, जिशान अंसारी, नीरज मधेशिया, श्यामला, सत्यनाथ रेड्डी, अनन्या प्रिया, श्री हारिनी, बालाजी गोपाल, रोहित चक्रवर्ती, बोरते, बुसरा, अंजुम, डी डैश, मीनाक्षी, कोमल, आफ्ताब अहमद, नवांग पालदेन, अखिलाखी, लपेंद्र बाघेल, राज चांदेर, केशव मूर्ति, जीवन कुमार सिंह, हेमा अरुण, लक्ष्मी नारायण. So everyone deserves lots and lots of appreciation. So let's move ahead now. But before that, don't forget to share these videos with your friends and loved ones so that everyone can benefit out of it. So let's begin. The first question, digital currency electronic payment in news recently is related to. So this digital currency electronic payment is related to China. So here B is the right answer. And China is expected to officially make sovereign digital currency available to the public later in 2020. So this is nothing but the digital currency of China, but it is now in trial phase and it is informal now, but it is expected that China will soon make it official digital currency of its country, and it would be considered the world's first central bank digital currency if it is officially issued by State Bank, People's Bank of China. So what is digital currency? See, digital currency is a payment method which exists only in electronic form and is not tangible. Next question is, Kisan Sabha app has been developed by. So this Kisan Sabha app has been developed by CSIR CRRI, and this app will connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system. So what is CRRI? CRRI stands for Central Road Research Institute. It was established in 1952 as a constituent laboratory of Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. This CRRI is located in Delhi. Next question, it is very important. Which is the largest producer of saffron? So Iran is the largest producer of saffron. This is how saffron looks like. In Hindi, it is called as kesar. Next question is again about Kashmiri saffron. So consider the following statements about Kashmir saffron. See, it is the only saffron in the world grown at an altitude of 1600 meter to 1800 meter above the mean sea level. This statement is correct. And it rejuvenates health and is used in cosmetics and for medicinal purposes. This statement is also correct. And it is considered to be the most expensive saffron in the world. And Kashmiri saffron has longer and thicker stigmas, natural deep red color, high aroma and bitter flavor, and it is chemical free processing and has high quality of crocin, that is coloring strength. It is grown in some regions of Kashmir including Pulwama, Budgam, Kishtwar and Srinagar. And Kashmir saffron, which is cultivated in the highlands called as Karewaz of Jammu and Kashmir, has been recently given the geographical indication tag by Geographical Indication Registry. Next question, Kovilpatti Kadalai Mittai, also called as chikki or sweet made of peanuts and jaggery, is famous in. So this Kovilpatti Kadalai Mittai is famous in Tamil Nadu. Its look like this. It is made up of peanuts and jaggery, and Kovilpatti and some towns and villages in Tuticorin district of Tamil Nadu will have an exclusive right over the GI tag, as this product has been given geographical indication tag. So Kovilpatti area and some areas of Tuticorin district of Tamil Nadu will have the right over the GI tag of this product. And one more product called as Chak Hao. It is an aromatic rice cultivated in Manipur. This product has also been given geographical indication tag. So what is geographical indication tag? Next question is about it. Consider the following statements about GI tag, also called as geographical indication tag. So it is an indication which is definite to a geographical territory. This statement is correct. It has some special quality because of its place of origin, and it is used for agriculture, natural and manufactured products. So this statement is also correct. So here both of these statements are correct. So C is the right answer. Remember that GI tag can be given to an industrially manufactured products as well as to an agriculture produced goods as well as to a naturally produced goods such as mango, which is grown naturally. Agriculture produced crops such as rice can also be eligible to get GI tag, and industrially manufactured goods such as chappal, bangles and other things are also eligible to get GI tag. So geographical indication tag or GI tag is given under Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999, and it is provided by Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, which is also to act as Registrar of Geographical Indication, and this Registrar of Geographical Indication is based in Chennai, which is again in Tamil Nadu. Next question now. Banerghatta Biological Park is located in. So Banerghatta Biological Park is located in the state of Karnataka. Precisely, it is located in Bangalore. Why it was in news then? It has come out with an animal adoption program to conserve wildlife and allow people to adopt animals at zoo during the lockdown period. Next question now. Open Budget Survey has been released by. This question is very important. Be attentive, everyone. Open Budget Survey. It has been released by International Budget Partnership (IBP). So here C is the right answer. The survey is a part of global research and advocacy program to promote public access to budget information and the adoption of accountable budget systems. The survey is a biennial survey and not an annual survey. It is released every 2 years, and this survey covers 117 countries, out of which India is also part of this survey. Remember, 117 countries, and the survey assesses whether the budget information are made public and whether it is made in timely manner and provide comprehensive information or not. The global average transparency score has been turned out to be 45 out of 100. So it ranks 117 countries from 0 to 100 of scores. So the global average is 45, and New Zealand has topped the list. Remember, New Zealand has topped this survey, and South Africa with a score of 87, Mexico with a score of 82, and Brazil with a score of 81 are other top ranked countries which provide extensive information to public on budget for scrutiny. While India has been placed at 53rd position. Remember the position, very important. India has been placed at 53rd position of the survey with a transparency score of only 49 out of 100. The public participation in its budget is a key concern for India, and it is an area where India has to improve upon. And the International Budget Partnership, what is it? It is a collaborative effort which was created in 1997 with multiple actors including civil society, state actors, international institutions and private sectors as well. And it aims to provide transparency in budget information to the public. Next question now. Consider the following statements about International Astronomical Union, in short called as IAU. See, IAU was founded in 1919. So yes, it was founded in 1919. This statement is correct. And IAU is headquartered in Paris, which is in France. So this statement is also correct. So here both of these statements are correct. So C is the right answer. and IAU is an international association of professional astronomers who are at PhD level or beyond and active in professional research and education in astronomy. Why it was in news? Because May 2nd is celebrated as International Astronomy Day. Next question is Thrissur Puram is held in. So Thrissur Puram is held in the state of Kerala. So here A is the right answer. It is an annual Hindu festival celebrated on the day when the star sign Puram occurs in the Malayalam month of Medam, which lies in April or May. And the first festival was brainchild of Raja Rama Varma, who is also called as Sakthan Thampuran, the Maharaja of Cochin from 1719 to 1805. So don't forget to share these videos and like the video if you find it useful. Answer the question in the comment section. Watch this weekly current affairs. Wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay at your home, stay safe. Thanks a lot.